Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits, otherwise known as your friendly neighborhood basement dweller. Don't worry, ma'am, I am from the internet. Today, the devil lent me her handbag first aid kit. She said there was some stuff in it. She got it from a secondhand store and I could just toss it. And I want to go through some of the stuff that I found. These cassettes, old school. Open her up and say, poison. Okay, so cassettes back in the day used to be a big deal. This was the only way that we could transfer data. That's digital tape on the inside and it can get flown around forever. Now, I just want to go through some of the awesome things that I found. Legit, I've never seen a blue cassette tape before. Let's check this one out. So, all of the blanks could be pretty interesting. But you get some Molly Crew. You get some posterity. That's just so great. Oh, Top Gun. Highway to the danger zone. There's an aesthetic of these ones that I just love. The blank ones. There's something about them that just reaches so far back. Hey, check out Scotch tape wall. Old school, 80s, Metallica, Memorex. Man, that is iconic right there. That just says 80s, so hardcore. Queen. So, back in the day, when you wanted to record something, it had to be on the radio or it had to be playing on something else. And you had to get a piece of tape to cover. Does this have a piece of tape? Oh, it doesn't even... Yeah, it has a piece of tape right there. You had to have a piece of tape to cover part of it so that, I guess there was a protection. That if something went down all the way, it meant you couldn't record over it. So apparently if you get... Oh, man, that looks so iconic. If you get original heavy metal and punk cassettes, they can actually be worth a few bucks. Not a lot. Not a lot. But there are places you can go. There are people who missed out on this nostalgia. I had a friend who was... Oh, look at that. I had a friend that was... pastor's boy, and he was not allowed to listen to any music that wasn't Christian. Poor guy. Poor guy. He was... Now, check out that. This looks like a blank, but a good one. So, this buddy of mine, he was at a dance that he shouldn't have been at. It was a lunchtime dance. And he was at... And anyways, he wasn't supposed to be there because his family wasn't... Oh. You mean AM. I got that thing set wrong. There was a dance in the gym. And he thought that he wouldn't tell his dad, he'd just go. So he's there, and Kiss from a Rose comes up. Apparently he's walking right across the way to... oh, nice. He's walking right across the way to the girl that he wanted to ask out. And then the PA system comes on. Adam Greenwood, come to the office, please. Your father's here to get you. Oh, his dad was furious. He was furious. Oh, that he was that. How dare you? How dare you do the sin of going to a dance? Oh, my goodness. Power hour. 80s AF. The poor guy. The poor guy. He's a Christian still, but he's the most hard rock heavy metal Christian I've ever seen. I've seen a few of these ones too. Yeah. The Blue Oyster Cult. Oh no, it's just a Cult Love. Vertigo. Before my time. Legitimately. I just wanted to make a fun video of cassettes and the beauty and the nuance of the old stuff. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.